Hello children, in the previous class you learned what is an algebraic expression. Okay, so what are the terms of an expression, like terms, unlike terms, right? So not only that, monomials, binomials, everything you have learned, and how the expressions are formed using the statement, how we write the expressions also yesterday you learned, right? So today also we will solve the problems in the exercise 12.1, right children? Take your notebooks and textbooks, write the second question in your notebook. Second one, see in your textbook. Second question, see. What is it? Identify the terms and their factors in the following expressions. Show the terms and factors by tree diagram. Tree having the branches. So like that we will show the here the terms and the factors using the expression. Right. First expression is x minus 3. Tell me, what are the factors here? What are the factors here? First, two factors. What are the terms here? Two terms. One is x and the second one is minus 3. So, what are the factors? So, factors are x, here 1 into x only. This x is multiplied by 1. And minus 3 is, you can write minus 1 into minus 3. Okay, right? So, right. See, second question. 1 plus x square. Here, how many terms in this expression contain 3 terms? So, what are they? One is 1, second one is x square. These are the terms. And factors. Factors are some that is multiplied together. Here x square, yes, it has 1, yes, and also x into x square. 1 is the coefficient. Here also 1 is the constant and x is the variable. So that is also multiplied by 1. Okay na? So you can write like that only. Right. C1c y minus y cube. Y minus y cube. So what are the terms here? The terms are two terms. One is y and the second one is minus y cube. And factors. So factors here, only one factor, that is y, and here y cube. So it is 3 times multiplied. So the coefficient is minus 1, or you can take 1. 1 is the coefficient or minus 1 is the coefficient. Right. Here y cube means y is multiplied 3 times. Minus y, minus y, minus y. Like this also you can write the factors. Minus y into minus y into minus y. It is equal to minus y cube or not? Yes. So these are the factors. And D1C 5x y square plus 7x square y. First write the terms. So how many terms this expression contains? Two terms. One is 5xy square and the second one is 7x square y. This is a tree diagram. Okay. Okay. Factors. So tell me factors. So the factors are, so 5. Very good. X y square. Here y is multiplied 2 times. So these are the factors. Y into y. 7x square y. So factors are here. So one is 7x square, that is x into x and y. 7x x y. So like this we have to write the factors of and terms of given expression. Right. Children, see the last one E. So that is minus ab plus 2b square minus 3a square. How many terms it has? 3 terms. So one is minus ab, second is 2b square, third is minus 3a square. Sign is also very important. Here this term minus ab plus 2b and minus 3a. Here these are the terms, and now write the factors. Factors are, yes, minus a, minus a and b. So here 2 b square means b into b, 2 b into b, 2b square. So here, yes, 3 factors, that is minus 3 a square means a into a. So like this you have to find the remaining problems also. Okay, right children, now copy the second question. Identify the terms and factors in the expressions given below. See children, in this second question we have to identify the terms and the factors. So this is an algebraic expression. So in this expression it is having the terms and the factors. We have to write that one. First draw a table for this. Okay, you have to draw one table and so write all the expressions like this in your notebook. Write each expression down one by one. You write like this. And the next heading, now write the terms. What are the terms of this expression? And next, what are the factors? What are the factors? So like this, you have to make one table. So draw this table neatly in your notebook. Okay, na? Right. Now, tell me what are the terms of minus 4x plus 5? What are the terms? How many terms here? 2 terms. What are they? Those are minus 4x and plus 5. Okay. So these are the 2 terms. Very good. Right? So what are the factors? What are the factors? Here, how many factors it has? So one is minus 4x and 5. These are the factors. Very good. So write children. So this one also you write neatly. So for understanding, you can write the separate minus 4x and here the term is 5. Okay, further you draw one line. Okay, so otherwise you may not get any confusion. Right. In the second one, how many terms we have? Very good, 2 terms. So what are they? Here also minus 4x plus 5y. What are the factors? Factors are here minus 4x plus y and y. These are the 2 factors. Right. So in this expression, tell me 5y, 3y square. 5y, 3y square. What are the factors? 5 comma y. Yes, 3y square, 3y, y, 3y. Okay, so like this, we have to fill the remaining also. First, draw this table neatly. Okay, so I am drawing here roughly and explain this all roughly on the board. So don't copy like this. You leave some more space for them. Right. Here, how many terms in this expression contains 2 terms? One is xy and one more term is 2x square y square. Now, tell me what are the factors there? In the xy, factors are x, y. 2x square, y square. Factors 2. X square means 2x into x. Those are x comma x. And next y square means y. So these are the factors. You have seen in the tree diagram now, like that. PQ plus Q. How many terms? 2 terms. PQ and Q. What are the factors here? PQ, P comma Q. Q, only the Q is the factor. Right. So here 1.2 AB minus 2.4 B plus 3.6 B. How many terms? Very good, 3 terms. First is 1.2 AB. Second one is minus 2.4 B. Third term is 3.6 A. What are the factors? 1.2 A B minus 2.4 comma B 3.6 comma A. These are the factors. Similarly, 3 by 4x plus 1 by 4. How many terms? 2 terms. One is 3 by 4x and one more is constant. That is 1 by 4. What are the factors? 3 by 4 comma x and one is 1 by 4. And last one 0.1 p square. 0.2 terms, very good. 0.1 p square and 0.2 q square. 2 terms are here. So the factors are, so what are the factors? 0.1 p comma p and 0.2 q comma q. So these are the factors of 0.1 p square plus 0.2 q square. See children, in the third question, identify the numerical coefficients of terms other than constants in the following expression. Here we have to find the numerical coefficient. So that is other than the constant. So here the constant is multiplied by the coefficient is multiplied by the variable. So that is the coefficient. Okay, so that numerical coefficient we have to write here using the given expressions. For that, the same procedure previously we found the terms and factors. Here extra one is numerical coefficient. First to write the expressions neatly. So given expression you write here. First given expression, each expression. Right, and here also we will prepare one table for that. Each and everything we will write in the table. So for attraction purpose I am explaining like that. Otherwise we can write simply. Individually we can learn this one also. We can solve. Right. First expression. What is the expression? First one is 5 minus 3t square. Second expression 1 plus r 1 by 1 we will find 1 by 1 we will find. So write first one is terms and the numerical coefficient. We have to find here the numerical coefficient. Very good. So first expression is 5 minus 3t square. What are how many terms here? 2 terms. One is 5 minus 3t square. Numerical coefficient. The coefficient is multiplied by the variable. What is the coefficient of t square? Very good. Minus 3. Okay. So other than constant, we have to find the coefficient of this variable. Okay. So those expressions having the variable. For that constant we have to write here. Here the numerical coefficient is minus 3. Very good. So similarly second one. Second expression is 1 plus t square plus t cube. Okay. So other than constants don't consider here. Only the terms of variables. Here the terms actually very good 4 terms here 1 t square t cube, but he said not constant, so that's why here don't consider constant. Here also no need. Okay na? Right. Here the terms are t square t cube. What is the numerical coefficient? Numerical coefficient. This t is multiplied by, there is nothing, so that means it has 1. This t is multiplied by 1, that meaning is 1. Right. Coefficient, numerical value. Here also 1. Very good. T cube. Very good. 1. So the numerical coefficient is 1. Right. Third expression is x plus 2xy plus 3y. Here see the how many terms? 3 terms. X, 2xy, 3y. So what is the Yes, the numerical value is multiplied by the variable. Coefficient means the number is multiplied by the variable. So here x is multiplied by 1 and here the constant is xy coefficient is 2 and y coefficient is 3. Okay na children? Right. Similarly, see fourth one, 100 m plus 1000 m. 100 m. How many terms here? 100 m and 1000 m. Okay. Numerical coefficient is 100. Here also very good. 1000. 1000 is the coefficient. Very good. Fifth one, that is minus p square q square plus 7pq. So minus p square q square plus 7pq. How many terms? 2 terms. Those are minus p square q square and 7pq. 7pq. So what is the numerical coefficient? Exactly, yes, 1. But here sign is minus. How to consider minus 1. And what is the coefficient of pq? 7. Very good. Sign is also very important. Remember always. And see, and the next one tell me. So sixth one. So that expression is 1.2a plus 0.8b. So this is an expression. Try to tell me what are the terms here. The terms are 2 terms. 1.2a and 0.8b. What is the numerical coefficient? So coefficient of a is 1.2. Coefficient of here numerical coefficient is b. That is 0.8. From 8 question, that is expansion 3.14 r square. So here how many terms? 1 term. That is 3.14 r square. What is the numerical coefficient? 3.14. And next to 8th one, see 2 into l plus b. 2 into l plus b. Here 2 lengths, 2 breadths. How many terms? 2 terms. 2 lengths, 2 breadths. What is the coefficient? Numerical 2. Here also 2. And finally 9th one, 0.1y plus 0.01 y square. So right, how many terms here? Yes, 2 terms, 0.1y, 0.01y square. So numerical coefficient is 0.1, then 0.01. So very easy now children. So like this you have to identify the terms and write the numerical coefficient. Okay, so right now turn your so textbook page number 235C B1 for in the fourth question B1C children. Fourth question say identify the terms which contain x and give the coefficient of x. So here some of the expressions given. So that expressions having the terms, okay, term with the x you have to find and the terms of coefficient of x also you have to find. So very easy in this chapter. All the problems are very easy, ma. First write the given expression. So given expression is y square x plus y. Okay na? So here we have to write the term with x. Term with x. Which term contains x variable and coefficient of x. That x is multiplied by which one? What is the factor? That one you have to write. So in the expression y square x plus y, term with x, which term having x? This y is having x? No. This one? Yes, very good. That expression you write y square x coefficient. Coefficient here, x coefficient. X is multiplied by y square. Y square is the coefficient of x. Is it clear? Similarly, second one see. 13y square minus 8yx. Term with the x. Which in this term two terms. Which one having x term? This one. Including sign also write minus 8y x. Coefficient of x minus 8y. Very good. Third one, x plus y plus 2. X term with x, only x is here, only the term x. And the coefficient x, exactly, 1 is the coefficient. And fourth one, 5 plus z plus zx. Which term having x? Zx. Okay, what is the coefficient of x? Z. Very good. Sixth one. So next to fifth one. 1 plus x plus xy. How many terms contains with x? Two terms. One is x and xy. What is the coefficient of x here? 1. Coefficient of x? Very good. Y. Then 1 will so left side or right side also will be there. So here it is the right side of x. X into y. Y is multiplying x. X is the so x coefficient is y here. Right. Like that also they will give. Don't confuse. 12xy square plus 20y. So how many terms having? Two terms. In the two terms, among two terms, one term having x and the coefficient of x is okay. So remaining terms, what are the remaining factors? 12y square. Very good. 12y square. And finally 7x plus xy square. How many terms having the x? Two terms. 7x xy square. What is the coefficient of x? 7. Coefficient of x here? Y square. Is it clear, children? Very easy now. Right. Come to the B1. Identify the terms which contain y square and give the coefficient of y square. Similarly, here we found the coefficient of x like that y square you have to write. So similarly, first term with y and coefficient term with y square, not y. Y square term and coefficient of y square. Okay. So I am giving to you homework this one. So in the page exercise 12.1, page number 235, question number 4, B1. B question you have to solve. Right. Fifth question, see, classify into monomials, binomials and trinomials. Monomials means one term. Bi means two terms. Tri means three terms. Which terms are, each expression contains two terms. You can write the binomial. Which expression contains the single term. You can write the monomial. So which expression contains three terms. You can write the trinomials. So this one also you have to solve. Fifth question also giving homework. And see, sixth question. State whether a given pair of terms is of like or unlike terms. So 1, 100. So these are the constant. These are the constant terms. Okay, so constants, same constants. No? So yes, these are the like terms. Minus 7x, 5/2x. See the sixth question. Second one, first one is a like term, and second one minus 7x, 5/2x. The algebraic factors are, the terms of algebraic factors are same. So we can say that these are the like terms. And third one, see, minus 29x, minus 29y. So these two terms having the different algebraic factors, x here, y. Can we say that like term? No. We can say that these are the unlike terms. In the fourth one, 14xy, 42yx. Here 14xy, we have to consider the algebraic factors. So xy, yx. If you write the reverse, but both the factors are xy, xy, na? Yes. If the algebraic factors are same. You can say that like terms. Right. Fifth one, 4m square p, 4m p square. Observe the algebraic factors. M square p, m rises 2 times. Here m only 1 m, but here more 1 p square, 2 p squares. So here 2 m squares. Can we say that these two terms are like terms? No, these are the unlike terms. Unlike terms. And sixth one, 12x z, 12x square z square. See the algebraic factors x z, x square, z square. Here only single factors x z, but here two are squared, x square, z square. So we can say that unlike terms, unlike terms. Okay, na children? Right. In the seventh question, identify the like terms in the following. So here like terms, which terms having the algebraic factors same, we can say that yes, like terms, different algebraic factors, we can say that unlike terms. So this one you have to find which one are the like terms, which are the unlike terms. So this one also you have to solve in the question A, B. So today we solve homework exercise 12.1 fourth question B problem. So that is y square coefficient you have to write, and fifth question, seventh question, total A, B problems you have to solve today. Page number 235. So these all problems are homework problems. So first understand the classwork, then only you can directly solve the problems easily. Okay children? So send homework in the Google form, join in the interaction if you have any doubts. Okay children, bye.